Hello fellas, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you suspicious about earning via digital means? Or you are confused about PayPal? No need to worry more. There's a whole list of guidelines to make money on PayPal. You are just needed to stick with us till the end of this video. So, without any delay, let's get started. Everyone is suspicious about earning via digital means, but there is no proper guidance to make this wish a reality. Here we will provide you those ways that will lead you towards those paths that will open new doors of earning for you. In what way PayPal money can be generated will also be discussed in this video. Please stick with us till the end of this video so you can get maximum information. You are worried about the exact information or you are unfamiliar with those sources of generating PayPal money. Are you a beginner? You want to learn about the new websites and app that pay you money via PayPal? Which app is legit and which is a scam? I know you're confused about those questions, but we have a proper solution for your concerns and doubts will clear on watching this video to the end. We have a complete list of that apps where you can make money by doing simple tasks and surveys. You can be able to earn a suitable amount from these apps, and these will give you an opportunity to earn online. In this way, thousands of people are making a suitable amount via this method. I personally know many people who find the right place for digital earning apps, and now they are earning very well. Here the biggest problem is that to find out the best app which can provide you with an opportunity to earn money. Here we have a list for you to find out the best money-making apps, and this surely reduces your efforts. So now comes to the point. Here are the following best ways to make PayPal money. On number 5, we have digital trade. There's a huge crew of people that are associated with the digital means of trade. Famous worldwide trading apps like Amazon and Alibaba provides various opportunities to make money via the means of digital trade. You can sell your products here and advertise the product of other to make revenue from it, as it is worldwide trade. So there is a need for an accounting system that will manage all the transactions. In this way, PayPal is the best way to those who are associated with this kind of occupation. By selling your products or doing affiliate marketing, you can be able to make money on PayPal. All the payments will be transacted to your PayPal money and you can withdraw it as per your need. There's a need for just a little investment in this field, but if you are providing the quality product and actual product, then you will surely make huge revenue from this method on PayPal. This is such a legit way of making PayPal money, and this is just a game of nerves. If you are familiar with the marketing, then this opportunity is waiting for you and immediately go for it. And this will open ways of earning. If you will get famous, you will get the ads and sponsorships and so many things that will also enhance the PayPal revenue and uplift your wealth. On number 4, we have blog running. On Google, there are opportunities for people to make their blog on Google and publish the content on it. If you are posting the well SEO optimized and most searching content, then you will surely get the traffic on your site. You are just needed to manage a domain of suitable name that matches the features of your content and then design a blog on Google. In this way, after the posting more than 20 blogs posts, you can be able to apply for Google AdSense and your blog will get monetization after the verification of the Google review team. You can connect your blog with PayPal and the money of the monetization will transfer into your PayPal account. This is such an amazing opportunity for those who have some basic knowledge about the blog and the quality of the content that will people demand. You can be able to make handsome PayPal money with the Google AdSense account. This opportunity is waiting for you and you are just needed to manage the domain and then start your own blog and start writing for it. If you are not a writer, then you can hire any writer and ask him to write for your blog. I personally know many people who are earning more than $10,000 per month via their blogs, and this is the most legit way of making PayPal money. On number 3, we have freelancing. One of the biggest markets of digital earning is freelancing. Almost 100 million people are associated with this field. Here you are supposed to provide your services on different platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Guru and Freelancer. In this way of earning, different people from all across the globe post about their working requirements, and the seller sends his or her proposal to the posted task. If the client agreed to work with you, then he or she will assign your work and you can earn a suitable amount here if you are skilled and have any specialty in any field. This is one of those fields which shows very rapid growth in the past few years. You even can't imagine that the people present on freelancing is 10 times more than the previous 10 years. Almost every country has a lot of people that are associated with freelancing, and they are making a handsome amount from it. You can be able to connect your PayPal account with the freelancing apps, and you can be able to make money with this means. On number 2, we have Bitcoin dealing. Bitcoin is such a trading thing in the whole market, and even the richest person, Elon Musk, is also thinking about it. You can be able to buy Bitcoin according to the present price of the Bitcoin, and when it got high in the price, then sell it and make a revenue. You can connect your PayPal account with the Bitcoin dealing apps and make revenue via the usage of PayPal. This is such a legit way of making money on PayPal, and suddenly more than 100 million people shows their attention to it, and they are making such a huge and historical profit via PayPal. Finally, on number 1, we have YouTube channel. YouTube is such a platform where you can be able to make money by participating in the community of YouTube. Here you are supposed to make a channel first, and after making the channel, start uploading videos of your related content. If people like your content, and you will get 1K subscribers and a 4,000 hours watch time, then your channel will get monetized and you will start earning from this platform. According to a careful observation, we came to know that by getting 1,000 views on your channel, you will get almost $1. With the rising of views, your earning will also rise. On this platform, you will get different gifts at the different milestones. If you have completed 100K subscribers, then you will get a silver play button from YouTube. On 1 million subscribers, you will get a gold play button from YouTube. All of these rewards are beyond your earnings. And even after, you can connect your monetization with PayPal and make a revenue from it. This is such a legit way to make money on PayPal, and suddenly more than 1 billion people shows their attention to it, and they are making such a huge and historical profit via PayPal. There is such a great opportunity for those who are looking for it. As per our information, we have got your desired information regarding the best online earning sources on the internet. Please subscribe, share and like our YouTube channel to get more informative videos like this one. In order to get notifications of our further informative videos, press the bell icon. In this way, you will stay in connect with us.